Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Midjourney AI without Discord. So if you don't want to use Discord to generate images, just follow along. First, open the website and then go to the Midjourney website. After that, sign in or create an account if you already have one. Then tap on Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, click on the Create or the Image Generation section on the website. Now type a prompt describing the image you want to generate. For example, you could enter a futuristic city at sunset, cinematic lighting, highly detailed. Then press enter and wait a few moments. Once the results appear, you can open them, download them, create variations or upscale them for higher quality. One of the advantages of using Midjourney on the website is that you don't have to interact with Discord channels or commands. You can also view your previous creations and manage your generated images directly from the website. Just keep in mind that you'll still need a Midjourney account and an active subscription to generate images. So that was how to use Midjourney AI without Discord. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.